To paginate Bill.com API documentation, you need to understand the basics of API pagination and how it applies to Bill.com. Pagination is the process of dividing a large dataset into smaller, more manageable chunks, known as pages. This is essential when working with APIs that return large amounts of data, as it helps reduce the load on servers and improves performance. First, you need to review the Bill.com API documentation to determine which endpoints support pagination. Typically, endpoints that return lists of objects, such as invoices or payments, will have pagination options. Look for parameters like offset, limit, or page, which are commonly used for pagination. The offset parameter specifies the starting point of the page, while the limit parameter specifies the number of items to return per page. For example, if you want to retrieve a list of invoices, you can use the offset parameter to start from the 10th invoice and the limit parameter to return 20 invoices per page. When making a request to a paginated endpoint, you need to include the pagination parameters in your query string. For instance, if you are using the Bill.com API to retrieve a list of invoices, your request might look like this. You can specify the offset and limit parameters to control the pagination. To handle pagination in your code, you can use a loop to iterate over the pages of data. In each iteration, you make a request to the API with the updated pagination parameters. You can also use the metadata returned by the API, such as the total count of items or the current page number, to control the loop and determine when to stop. Best practices for paginating Bill.com API documentation include using the offset and limit parameters consistently, handling errors and edge cases, and optimizing your code for performance. You should also consider implementing caching or other optimization techniques to reduce the number of requests made to the API. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively paginate Bill.com API documentation and improve the performance and scalability of your applications. Remember to always review the API documentation for specific guidance on pagination and to test your code thoroughly to ensure it works as expected.